Hey guys, welcome back again. So I thought I'd do something today around G66 and Fractal. So, not sure if you've ever purchased anything from G66 in the UK, but I thought I'd just show you what happens when you do. So, I've got FM9 here, so there's no surprise there. It's not a new product at all. It's one of their best-selling amp modelers, I think. But I just thought I'd show you the experience you get from G66. So this came as was. The courier just left it outside the door, bless him. Didn't even bother knocking. So it's a good job I was in. I'd have hate for that to have gone missing, but yeah, thank you, DPD. I'll be reporting that. Normally really good, by the way, DPD. This occasion, I think fell short a little bit there, leaving that like that. But anyway, look. When I've ever bought from G66, it's always been a really good experience. I just thought I'd share it because I think that's rare nowadays that happens. So first of all, I've not opened this yet, but I'm expecting in here another box. There'll be a t-shirt, and they'll open this in their warehouse or wherever they are. And they'll check it, make sure it's got the latest firmware on it and everything. Again, so let's just do it. Just show you the experience. So, yeah, it's sad to say that kind of thing's rare nowadays, but I think it really is. I think service is a thing of the past. I think G66 are great. Absolutely great. You feel like you've got a personal relationship with them. It's a little like going to a shop, you know. I tell you else is really good as well. I don't always get people agreeing with me on this, but and again, I'm not sponsored or anything by anyone here. I just buy stuff. Everything I've got, I've bought myself. I've worked for money and I buy it. But I've always thought that guitar are really, really good. I've always had a really good experience with them, and I can't say that for every company that I've been to, even some of the bigger ones in the UK, and you know which ones you are. I think they fall short a little bit, and yeah, like you do pay a little bit more here. And somebody said to me the other day, I was at the guitar show, and they said that guitar was more expensive than everybody else. I never find that the case. I've never thought that was true. So okay, yeah. So outer box, it builds an inner box. The inner box will be the factory box, I'm assuming. Yeah, guitar have always been really, really good. You know, once again, not sponsored, not affiliated, anything like that. Every time I've dealt with guitar, they've always been really good to me. I've asked them for deals and they've helped me out. You know, we've met halfway in deals and things like that. And yeah, to me, that's rare nowadays. But anyway, look, we're excited. We've got an FM9 here. What we got? So you get a t-shirt, G66 to advertise their G66 world, and you put in when you buy something, you put what size you want, and they send it you. On there, so it's personal. Get a little placard in there. They've been in. This just shows you that this thing's been. This is special for me. So it's just a bit of literature, you know. You get it's Carter Cooper's offer there. Like I won't show you that, but yeah, you get 30% off that if you buy stuff, which is worth about. I don't know how much it is now. Actually, that Carter thing. Got to be £100, so. Probably worth 30 quid that. But yeah, you get your stickers and all sorts in there, you know. Bit of private stuff in there. Yeah, so it's always personalised with your name, handwritten, and you know. So yeah, box inside a box, as I said. We've got our leads there. We have a USB cable, and it's always a really good quality cable. Always. And there's put an adapter in there, so it's USB-C to USB-A. IEC cable, standard affair, always quite a decent cable, pretty flexible. I always swap mine out actually because I use lockables, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. There's no ferrite things on them, no ferrite chokes or anything like that you'll find with Line 6. I'm not knocking Line 6, by the way. Love them, got all their products. Yeah, so carry on. We'll take this up. Really well packed in here. Nice heavy unit. Bagged like that. As you can see, so it comes. It's all bagged up like that. So I'll just move this out of the way so we can get the actual unit on there. Like that. Yeah, and there you go, folks. The FM9 in all its glory. Oh, he's a chunky beast. All your I/O there, look, everything you could ever need on this FM9. Yeah, great. So I'm going to do some. I'll be obviously doing some stuff on this, some demos, anything like that. Once again, you know, if you like this kind of stuff, you want me to do anything in particular, you want me to walk you through on the FM9 or the AM4 or the Helix Stadium or the Quad Cortex or what else we've got? We've got Kemper, Tonex. I think I've got a problem. Anyway, yeah, if there is anything you want to see, no problem at all. Just let me know in the comments there, and this will just be a little short video of an unbox just to show you the experience. Hopefully you can see, you know, it's confidence inspiring when you deal with a company like G66 and you get the quality that they send out. The only place you can buy, unless you buy second hand, it's the only place you can buy this particular Fractal audio product, well, any of the Fractal audio products in the UK actually. Some people think that's a good thing, some people think it's a bad thing. I'm actually pleased that I get to deal with that company. They're absolutely fabulous. You know, there's somebody on the end of the phone as well if you ring, and it's a normal person, it's not a robot. Yeah, if you're after something, you know, you don't have to go for FM9. You know, there's lots of options now with Fractal. Yeah, I'd recommend the AM4. Got that knocking about here somewhere. That's a great bit of kit. You know, I've gigged with that 1 or 2 times, and I was so impressed with it. You know, but anyway, this one's for the bigger gigs that I'm doing. So I'll be mostly swapping between this and Helix Stadium, I would have thought, just because of the control situation. Yeah, anyway, look, shall I plug it in for you guys? Shall I plug it in? Hold on, let me plug it in. Hello? Is that plugged in anyway? It's not plugged in. I'll plug it in, at least then you'll be able to see it light up, and we'll all be happy at that point, won't we? Okay, what we got this? I need to unplug Quad Cortex. What's up? I'm just talking shite, aren't I, guys? Yeah, Mr. Organised as always. I've always normally got things plugged in, but yeah. So first startup, should it work? Will it fail? Will it start? Let's find out. Well, there you go. Booted up, didn't it? Yeah, these aren't the quickest starters, but they're not the slowest either. Fans are on, everything's good. Yeah, fans have wound down, so that's a good sign. Let me know if you want me to do anything in particular with this. I'm not going to do any demo sounds straight away with it. You know what a Fractal sounds like. If you don't, I'm more than happy to do a demo for you. But I'll tell you what I'll do with it at some point. I'll walk you through how I'm going to have it set up for the gigs I'm going to do, and we'll go from there, guys. And there we are, straight in. All right, take care. See you again. Don't forget, if you like this kind of thing, subscribe, like, thing, do this, yeah. Cheers, guys. Ta-ra.